This may look a lot more confusing, but really it's not any more difficult. That's not to say it's easy, of course, because these are kind of challenging, but the process is the same. There's no one thing I can pull out of everybody. So I'm just going to open up my parentheses here, and I know that whatever I put here and here has to make a 3x squared. So the only game in town for this is 3x and x. Whatever I put here and here has to make negative 14y squared. So I do have some choices here. 14 could be 1 and 14. It could be 2 or 7. Chances are it's that 2 and 7. Like I'm just going to say 1 and 14, they're pretty far apart. And if you start putting 1 and 14 down, it's going to be hard to make it make 19. So I'm going to just, my instincts are telling me to try the 2 and 7 first. I also want to point out it's a negative 14, so I know that whatever I put down, they're going to have opposing signs, like it'll be a positive number and a negative number, but I have no idea of knowing which one will be which yet, so I won't deal with the signs right away. I just know that one of these numbers will be positive, one will be negative. So let's try the 2 here and the 7 here. If I do that, I don't know if this is right or not. I know one of these red numbers is negative. I don't know which one, but I know this inner thing makes 7x, and this outer product makes 6x. So can these combine to make negative 19 if one of them is negative and one's positive? And the answer, of course, is no. They totally can't. So that cannot be the right combination. So maybe I'll just try to switch the order of those things. Maybe I'll put the 7 over here and the 2 over here. Knowing that one of these is negative but not knowing which one yet, always deal with the negative sign at the end of it. These multiply to make 2x. These multiply to make a 21x. If one of these numbers is negative, can they combine to make a negative 19xy? Oh my goodness, wait, these need to have y's on them. How embarrassing for me. Because I need to have a 14y squared. So now I have 2xy and 21xy. Okay, so can these now combine if one of them is negative to make negative 19y? They sure can. If this 21 is negative, I can do it. So that means that which of the red numbers is involved in making the 21? The 7 is. And so the negative is going to go here and the positive is going to go here. And now as a final check, I can see that 3x times x will give me the first term, 3x squared. The red term times the red term will give me negative 14y squared. It'll give me the last term. And the inner product of 2xy and the outer product of negative 21xy would combine to make that middle term. So I am very confident that this is correct. Good luck.